It's easy to overlook your harmonic balancer until engine vibrations become an issue. On a modified diesel, a worn or factory balancer may not be able to keep up, leaving your engine vulnerable to damaging torsional forces. The XDP Performance Series Harmonic Balancer is built for diesel engines making more power than stock. When you increase horsepower, torque, or RPM, upgrading the balancer is vital to control extreme torsional vibrations and protect your engine. This is a direct fit replacement that's built to last. Inside the box, you'll find the XDP Performance Balancer, ready to bolt on and help reduce harmful vibration under load. It features a billet steel ring and hub construction for strength and reliability under high-performance conditions. This balancer uses pressure-bonded technology to securely join the hub to the inertia ring, offering excellent durability over the standard press-in rubber. That means better vibration dampening under high-torque serpentine belt loads. This balancer is SFI 18.1 certified and race approved, so you can trust it on the street or at the track. Each balancer is dynamically balanced for smooth operation. If you've increased the power output of your engine, don't risk damage with your old factory balancer. Step up to the XDP Performance Series Harmonic Balancer.